So, so today we will discuss about CIDR. CIDR, classless interdomain routing. Okay. So what we have studied till for that, suppose this is a network is given to you. Okay. And so this is the class A, this is the class B, this is the class C, this is the class D and class E. So for the class A, 1 bit is taken. For the class B, we can take like this fashion. Class C, it is 110. Class E, it is 1110, and class E is 1111. Class D is 1110. Class E is 1111. Okay. Now, since this division is based on classful addressing, but we can also do in using classless addressing. Okay. So in the classless addressing, we will assign a block of IP address to the host. Okay. So let us say like this way, classless. Okay. So in case of classless, let us see what is happening. So here, this is the, suppose this is all the IP address, and suppose you have given a one chunk. Okay, so you have given a one chunk and one chunk, so this is called nothing but this is called block. So this block of IP address is given. Okay, so you have to remember that in case of CIDR, network ID is basically equal to, network ID is nothing, it is nothing but it is equal to block ID. So in case of classless CIDR, we will not call it as network ID, we will call it as block ID, because we are dividing the entire network into blocks, so it will be represented as block ID. So whatever you have studied about network ID, it is same, just name is different. NID we use for classful addressing, and in case of classless addressing, we will use block ID or BID. Okay, so BID means nothing but block ID. Okay, fine. So okay, now so in case of classless addressing, it is represented as a dot b dot c dot d and /n. Okay, where n is nothing but host ID, HID, host ID. Okay, so host ID is 32 minus n. So this is the number of host ID. Therefore, total, no, n is not the host ID. Host ID will be 32 minus n. Okay, so total number of block ID, so sorry, total number of IP address with 32 minus n host ID will be 2 to the power 32 minus n. Okay, so let us give one example. Let us say it is 20.10.50.100. This IP address is given /20. Okay, so /20. So if I say that it is a classful addressing, just forget this. If it is a classful addressing, 20.10.50.100, it is a class A address. Okay, but in case of classless addressing, you cannot say in which class it is belonging. Okay, now what is this /20? /20 means that the 20 bits from most significant bit. Okay, so what will be the NID? So what will be the NID? Network ID will be 20, or since we will use the term for the case of CIDR is BID, so better this 20 is nothing but, it is basically a NID, but in case of CIDR we will call it as host ID. So this 20 is nothing but sorry, not host ID, it is block ID, BID. Okay, see here, NID equal to BID, so this 20 will represent basically block ID or BID. Okay, so now if BID is 20, so what is the host ID? Then will be the host ID? Host ID will be 32 minus n here 20, so it is nothing but 12. Okay, so since host ID is 12, how many IP address I can generate? It is, so total number of IP address I can generate is 2 to the power this one, 32 minus 20, that is 12, that is 2 to the power 12. Okay, so if this type of address is given, so this slash means block ID or NID, and you to find the host ID, you will subtract 32 minus this one, this n, you will get the total number of HID. So out of, so HID will be, that is host ID will be 12, so with 12 bit you can generate 2 to the power 12 IP address. Okay, now so let us find one thing. Suppose you have given a number. Okay, so I do over here, so I've given a number. Okay, so it is 1011, it is a it is nothing but it is, I think it is 11. Okay, it is 11, so it is a number, this is 11, this is the remainder, sorry, this is the remainder, and this is a quotient. Now this is 11, you want to divide this number with 2 to the power 1. So if you divide this 2 to the power 1, that is 2, with 11, the remainder will be 1, quotient will be 5. If it is 2 to the power 2, the remainder will be 3, quotient will be 2. If it is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. If you divide 11 by 8, so the remainder will be 3, quotient will be 1. Now if it is 2 to the power 4, that is 16, remainder will be 11 and quotient will be 0. Now see one thing, this is given, so remainder is 1, so remainder is 1 and quotient is 5. Now see, this is 1 and 101 means what? 5. Now see, quotient is 2. Okay, quotient is 2, quotient is 2, quotient is suppose 2 means 10, so 10 means 2 and remainder is 3, 11 means 3. Okay, quotient is 1, so take 1 bit and 3 bit, quotient is 1 and remainder is 3, that is 1. Now quotient is 0 and remainder is all 4. Okay, so this is the way you can see a thing. Okay, now I will discuss about something about how the rules for forming CIDR, that is rules for forming CIDR. So what are the rules? First rule is, sorry, I think I have, okay, this is what rules for forming CIDR. So what are the rules? All IP address should be contiguous. Okay, now number 2 rule is block should be power of 2 to the power n. And number 3 is, which is very much important, that is first IP address should be evenly divisible should be evenly divisible by the size of the block. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will apply this tool and we will find how to form the CIDR. Okay.